Is cruise line loyalty dead? There are many reasons that cruisers are abandoning their favorite cruise lines. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, cruising is more popular than ever, in part because of first-time cruisers that are trying cruising for the first time. But of course, we also have many avid or loyal cruisers. And if all goes well, cruise lines hope that those cruisers will stay loyal to the same brand. Now, there are some definite benefits, including loyalty perks and past passenger programs. However, there are also some drawbacks. Now, there have been a lot of changes in the last couple of years across several different cruise lines, as well as other factors that have cruise passengers, well, looking at their options. Now, what I did is I asked in the Lifewell Cruise Facebook community, what are the reasons that you would not be loyal to your favorite cruise line? And while some of the answers were not unexpected, others really did surprise me. Now, before I share these 10 reasons with you, I did want to mention, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Number one, it's all about the cost. So yes, people are saying if the price of another cruise by a competing cruise line is significantly cheaper, at this point, that is a reason that they would definitely try another cruise line. Many people state the economy and the fact that cruises have become more expensive as a reason to check out the competition. Number two, now this one did surprise me a little bit, solo cabin options and solo options in general. There is a growing trend of solo cruisers and they do want options. And they are saying that rather than paying double with one cruise line, they are looking at their different options. And they are especially enticed by cruise lines that are creating cabins that not only have interior solo cabins, but have ocean view, balcony, and suites. Now, if a cruise line has other solo cruiser benefits or programming, that factors in as well. Number three, for different and more interesting itineraries. Now, I don't think that this is much of a surprise. It probably has always existed. After all, many of us do cruise for the destinations, at least on some of the cruises. So different, more interesting destinations is a reason that people will try a competing cruise line. Now, please let me know, by the way, how much does the itinerary factor in to your decision when looking to book a cruise? Please let me know down in the comments below. Number four, loyalty status match programs. Yes, there are a couple of cruise lines out there, and people are saying they are willing to give them a shot if they are able to match their loyalty to be able to have some extra perks. Now, one cruise line that is growing, especially in North America, that has a status match program is MSC Cruises, and another one that has it at least at some different times is Virgin Voyages. Number five, along the same vein, another reason that people might not be loyal to their favorite cruise line is if their favorite loyalty perks are removed. Now, they know things do change over time, but past passengers do not want to see their loyalty perks eroded. Number six, free perks and all-inclusive bundle packages. Many cruise passengers said that they started to calculate what they were spending in specialty dining or beverage packages, and they realized that perhaps some of those different packages may be a better value, even if the cost upfront is a little bit higher. Programs like Norwegian's Free at Sea, Princess Cruises, Princess Plus, and Princess Premier, and Holland America's Have It All might cost a little bit more upfront, but cruise passengers say that they think that this will save them money on their cruise, and they are willing to try. Number seven, if a competing cruise line has an embarkation port that is close to home. So what cruise passengers said is right now, flights are very expensive and cruises are expensive, and they would be willing to try a different cruise line if they sailed close to home. Now, I am curious, is that something that you factor in when you make your decision to book a cruise? Please let me know down in the comments below. Number eight, if they have experienced a bad cruise. Now, what do people classify as a bad cruise? Well, it is bad food, it is bad entertainment, and it is bad customer service. And while people say they had some tolerance for it before. They're saying that now with the changes and some of the higher costs, that they are more likely to jump ship and try a different cruise line. Number 9, if the costs are too high on the cruise line's newest ships. There are some people who really like to cruise on the newest ships of the year, and they say if the costs are too high on their favorite cruise line, they will try another brand. Now, of course, the price of a cruise on a brand new cruise ship is going to be more expensive for any cruise line. However, we have seen the prices of, as an example, Royal Caribbean's new Icon of the Seas be priced above what many people say is their cruise budget. Number 10, if they are going on a group cruise and somebody else arranged it. Of course, that is a great reason to try a different cruise line and at the same time to have a different experience. You never know, you just might like it. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know if you're usually loyal to 1 or 2 cruise lines, or if you prefer to play the field, if you know what I mean. And please let me know, good or bad, if cruise lines could do anything to change your mind. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.